In this video I'm going to tell you what does pending mean on Snapchat. So I've been getting a lot of messages that say what does it mean, and basically it means the following things. So first, you can have a bad internet, and to check that, just type in internet speed and click on this one and see is your internet working. And the second thing is that the user hasn't actually accepted your friend request. What you can do is try to send a test snap to yourself or to everybody and see if it works. If it doesn't send, then that's probably a internet issue. But also, if you are sending it to somebody and then it just keeps saying pending, that can also mean that they have blocked you. So keep that in mind. And of course, the last thing is you can just go to Snapchat support. Once you are here, you say submit a request and then just follow these on-screen instructions, whatever you need help with, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.